I try to say, ¿Cómo estás? Oh, nomás aquí. But I mean, I miss all that, family, back in Laredo, Texas.
Laredo, Texas. Laredo Road.
That's what it was.
Remember that song? Texas Tornadoes?
of Laredo, yeah. Because I want the streets of Laredo. But then my dad,
So you're from Detroit, Michigan.
Yeah, by Laredo, by Omaha. But
You're by the 8 Mile?
Yeah, by the 8 Mile, about 6 miles south of 8 Mile.
Oh, yeah?
Because we're in downtown Detroit, a Mexican town, and 8 Mile was like,
Is it not like the hood?
Is that what it's called, Mexican town?
It was more the hood was more suburban. What's that?
Is that what it's called, Mexican town?
Mm-hmm.
That's
in
interesting.
Detroit, yeah, Mexican town.
Yeah.
Its border it's like a a couple miles square, and then you got Mexican restaurants and and when I was a kid it was mostly all families, but now it's gone corporate.
No, it's already all the companies are gone.
Yeah, I know.
Back then it was the booming town.
Yeah. When I left,
that's when Donald Trump says that was when America was great.
Bad chance with him because as soon as he walked down that damn escalator, man, he started ragging on Mexicanos, man.
But American great for who? You know what I mean? Not for us.
Right. That's what it is.
1950, this was the worst times for us.
Exactly.
But there's a lot of Mexicans that voted for him.
I know. That's why
because right now the times have changed. There's a lot more Latinos that are middle class, and they want to protect their money. Their
business, their homemade business. Like this, this man I met that lives out there by Coachella. This guy named what the heck's his name? Not Tony. Anyways, he's a good guy, and we played music. The four of us, 3 Mexicans and 1 white guy, and then.
Sounds like the Texas Tornadoes.
Yeah, it does. And then when I made a disparaging remark about the El Presidente at the time, I could see that he got a little bit, you don't want to talk about it. And so I thought, I know, you probably voted for that guy. You being a Mexican, you voted because of business, because you're a business guy, you own your own business.
Well, of course.
And so as soon as that guy come down saying, that all Mexicans were bad except for a few, then, so I didn't hold that against him, but I figured he was like, he was misinformed, but he didn't really realize how much it's not, that kind of stuff isn't for, for us, for the, the family and stuff. So,
for the power.
So we never talked about it. What's his name? ¿Cómo se llama? Anyways, yeah, the name doesn't really matter so much as. So, I walked away not saying nothing. And we played for like a couple of years, but never talked about politics.
Yeah, it's
because I had a hint. Because he owned his own business. He had a fencing company or something like that. And little business like that, man, they tend to side with corporations.
Well, of course.
Yeah, so.
Who won't?
Yeah, well, when you're the boss of stuff,
Like I keep telling everybody, us being Latinos, we don't care who's president. Who's gonna give us more money?
Well, that's the one. That's what when they say, "Oh, they're all crooks," well, they are. But I want the crook that's on my side.
Well, yeah, give me a little bit of king. Right. Give me a little piece.
Give me my own crook, Yeah. Well, my crook ain't as good as the other crooks. The bad guys keep winning.
Well, they're always gonna win. They got money.
Well, that's what it is. But I'm not gonna give in. I'm always gonna fight them, at least intellectually. And at the voting, I put my little dot there. It makes a difference,
Of course.
So
that's why we all of us need to vote,
Exactly.
and just recently Latinos have been voting more.
Mm-hmm. But what do they want to do? They want to change the rules.
Yeah.
And that really sucks. And a lot of people don't.
Like here in California, it fucking sucks to live here now. There's a bunch of rules and regulations that don't make any sense to me.
Yeah, but I mean,
And they're Democrats.
yeah, but no, I don't think as bad as like Florida. Florida's really bad.
Like they tax us for shit that doesn't even stay in the valley. They all take it to like one of the good places.
But in the meantime, you gotta pick the battle, and the battle says that the generals that are on our side, they're not all that great, they're not all that good at giving us what we need, but they're not right out there cheating and saying Latinos get the vote a lot more nowadays because of their population. We got the majority as far as population goes, and that's why they hate it.
70%.
70%
in California,
and the white man doesn't like it. So he's trying to change the rules. So he's making blacks and Latinos and everybody else, makes it harder for them to go vote statistically.
Instead of being smart and come to us, hey, what's up? I want your vote. I hook you guys up. I'll fucking turn Republican like this.
Yeah, no, I mean, no, they're a bunch of not so. They're greedy and they're mean. They're the party of mean. See, in the olden days, everybody used to say Republicans and Democrats that Republicans were a daddy party and Democrats a mommy party. And that's about the way it goes, And so the man's always, kicking around the woman some way or the other, and if it ain't, if it ain't literally, messing up with so much a woman, but the party gets treated badly by the because you got your Democrats and then you got your anti-Democrat parties. So now the Republicans, they're not so kind. So no, I wouldn't switch unless you change. They did in the olden days. The Democrats used to be really the party of the KKK.
That's right.
So it can't change.
They were founded by them.
Right.
And this is at the point where America was great. 1904, after the war, that's where the foundation came from.
What, in the 40s?
In the 40s, with the KKK were supporting the Democrats. And all the bad stuff came from the Democrats back in the day.
Right.
Most of it.
Right.
And
the Republicans were the good guys in the Civil War with Lincoln.
Yeah.
But I mean, they weren't the good guys in the long run because of, what was going on. But I mean, that's why a lot of people, they don't, they forget their history.
Yeah, history is very important.
Right. So if you don't know where you've been,
it's more important than other subjects in school.
Right, but then they want to change that too. They don't want to show America to have been mean to the Indians and mean to the black people and all that. They want to take that out of the books.
Of course. So like they did a genocide here too.
Right.
Like towards the Indians.
Right.
They slaughtered them.
Exactly.
They were paid, I think, $200 per head or something like that back in the day to kill them.
Right, and nowadays they forget all about that. They forget, and then not only that, they take it out of the history books.
And they're rightfully the owners of the United States, I guess,
of
this country. But I'm still blessed to be here, and I won't change it for nothing else, man.
Me too.
There's poor other people in other countries,
Right.
What if we were born over there? We couldn't come over here.
Well, the thing is, that's why all that stuff is made for a more perfect union. That's why they forget about that.
But we forget about it.
You got to strive for that. You can't just accept what you got now, and you want to live in the 50s and the way it was kind of bad for everybody in the 50s, except for white people. So, but you got to kind of educate yourself to a certain degree. A lot of people just unaware. You got to be self-aware. So anyways, that camera's still rolling because I don't want it to hear. I don't want the communists to hear what I'm saying. So because after that it's all we got to get back to basics.
You mean the communist that lives here in Slab City?
Yeah. Now we got to get back to basics. Like carne asada. So we're gonna have to forget all about this politics and just concentrate on on Carnitas and
Well, that's the most interesting. Politics creates the most interesting conversation.
well, I know, but I mean, but if you got somebody that's closed-minded and,
Yeah.
and not open
That's
hearted,
that's. I mean, that's what it's all about. I mean, when somebody gets angry.
all right, well,
That's not what it's all about.
There's a lot of punks out there, man.
Yeah, I know.
And then now they're on the internet. So now they scared the hell out of the kids to shut down their schools yesterday.
Yeah.
You know, coast to coast. Because of punks and TikTok.
Yeah.
So that's, that ain't right.
Because of the
But
punks
I mean,
on
when I was a
TikTok.
kid, I'm glad they didn't have, was that?
Because of the punks on TikTok, you
Yeah,
said.
because, they had the ability to get, what do you
Yeah.
call it, to tell everybody with their internet connection crap like that, which is, most of it is false, but you never know. That's why they, out of caution, they close the schools down, and that's not, that's worse than a bomb threat.
You got some tourism going on here.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people that come over here, huh? Check it out. There's a lot of people that come check it out.
Mm-hmm. So I haven't seen that acoustic of yours yet.
What's that?
I haven't seen your acoustic yet.
You want to see it? You want to check it out?
Mm-hmm.
Little
So,
basic one. I've had
It's
it
got the price tag or is that the stand?
I've had it for a decade already.
Oh really? Oh, then
Hello.
don't have a price tag.
How's it going?
Good. You ready for tonight?
Uh-huh.
Well, we're getting ready for right now. We're just having a look at this.
It's a free run.
Ah, good. What are you guys making? Carnita soda? I heard it. You guys really starting something new.
Well, it's just for today. Yeah.
Got it.
It's not gonna be an everyday thing. And every week, and every Saturday.
Just today.
Yeah, just.
The wind's gone. The cold is kind of leveled itself out. It's time for a carnita asada.
I know. What is that? What is this Bud Light you have in your hand? What's that Mexican are you? Are you guys playing tonight or not?
Uh-huh.
Are you are?
Yeah.
What kind of music?
Sundown. Pardon me?
What kind of music are you gonna be playing?
Well, I'll be playing some rhythm and blues.
Okay,
And
awesome.
then, it's open mic, so people play pretty much whatever they feel like.
Yeah, I read about it and it sounded kind of cool.
Oh, yeah, it is pretty cool.
So you're the first
Not
time
here
here?
long.
Yeah, it's my first time here.
Yeah.
So are you coming from San Diego?
Riverside area,
Oh,
so it's not that far. I mean, it is far, but
You mean from Jenny 69? Riverside?
yeah.
I'm recording. Is it okay if I get you guys on?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
We do.
So my name is Carlos.
Hi, Ruth. This is my son, Kevin.
I'm in Albert over there.
This is Albert.
That's
So you're
Albert.
gonna be the one playing the Carne Asada.
Well, I'm gonna try not to.
Well, maybe we'll see you guys tonight then.
Pardon me?
Maybe we'll see you guys tonight.
Okay, sounds good.
All
Are
right.
you guys gonna spend the night here?
No, I have to work tomorrow. But work is in the way all the time. So
I know what you mean, but it's Sunday though.
I work Sundays.
Oh man.
I know. So.
Because that's bring me a spot where you can rent like a very. Have you seen them?
I've seen a lot of Airbnbs,
Yeah?
but I don't know about Airbnb. Mine is.
There's always a call in.
No, I can't do that.
And when we open up here and it's fucking day to work next day, oh, I'm not calling in.
Oh, no.
If it-
Also, just don't tell anybody what you're doing. Awesome. Okay, we'll see you guys later on.
Okay.
Have fun with your Carne Asada.
We will.
You realize it's early in the morning. I can't think of anything to play.
What do you mean? It's already for us. It's already time to hit the hay.
Yeah, really.
Every day
Hey, there's
for
a lot of
us.
hay out there to hit. I know, man. So, you know, how old people's are. Plus, you know, naps are for old people. I guess I take a nap now and then. But a siesta, 'cause I'm not.
That no longer exists anymore.
Yeah. See what the heck could be played there.
It's better when you just play with any like the last time you just started playing. I mean, that sounded awesome, and you just started playing anything.
Well, thanks. But I'm
You
going
played like
to,
for about 30 minutes straight.
But I'm going to make a list of songs because I always forget them when I go play places. You know, sometimes
Okay.
you know when I sit in a campfire, like right away I go blank. You know, I don't know. I think that's pressure makes my mind forget names and.
Do you still get nervous in front of people?
Not too much. When I'm not prepared, I get a little, like right now.
Yeah.
Because, you know, when I'm not prepared and then you got this audience to play to and then you can't think of anything then, I start getting like, doggone it.
I do like the movie stars say. When I see the crowd, I think everybody's naked. I really don't care.
No, I'm not
So,
that creative.
So I think they're more fucked up than me. So fuck it, keep playing it.
No, I just got to the point where, you know, I enjoy playing in front of people as long as they don't mind letting me play in front of them. You know, when they let me have fun, then I'm really turned on because when I was back east and I played with I think I told you that on the other video, that the crowds and the audiences back east, they weren't so friendly. You know, we had to really play our heads off to entertain them and please them. But out here, you know, I found that the audience is, you know, real friendly, not just at the range, but all over where I played. You know, I played up in Coachella a couple times. And they were real nice up there, you know. So
At the Coachella Fest, or
well, it was right next door, the Coachella. Remember that one? Did you go to that one? Where it was they were, you know,
That's
they were
fucking
celebrating
underground
the
kind of
Kush.
shit.
What's that?
That's kind of underground kind of shit.
Yeah, no, but they were right in the polo field. They
Oh yeah,
and it was called Kush.
Well, yeah, it was called the Coachella. It was right next door to
No,
Coachella.
that's off. Yeah, everything is off. The speaker, everything is off. It's connected, but it's off.
Because then we have to walk home.
No, there's plenty of batteries here. Trust me. There's plenty of batteries in Slab City. That's for
No,
sure.
you don't have to. You won't walk home. You'll hitchhike home. Let's see.
I could just turn it on. No, this should be. It's just connected. It's not nothing.
La carne ¿te gusta medium wow?
What's that?
Red,
Is that again?
la carne.
What about it?
How you like it?
Oh, I like it tenderoni
So,
with just a little bit of pink if there's, you know, unless, you know, it's all the way through, it's fine with me.
medium.
Medium's fine. I take them always.
When it's carne, who cares?
Yeah, that's right. Especially the way it reminds me of back home in the hood. I used to barbecue with stove on the top.
I got a wooden stove at home I still use.
Uh-huh. And they're always good.
When we turn it on, I tell everybody, look, we're in the 1930s right now.
Uh-huh. We're in the, what do you call it, the Depression, you know.
Depression era.
I'm depressed. Wow. So I think I'll take a moment from this. Oh, you got this stand over there, yeah. So what brand is that one?
It's a Sunlight.
Sunlight.
Yeah. I got this guitar about over 10 years ago.
Well, it plays fine. Except my mind is hungry. Now, what did I have for breakfast? Yeah, I had that little bit of ice cream, which wasn't froze. And then,
For breakfast, you had asked for
yeah,
breakfast?
because, you know, I went to the club, you know, the Oasis. Have you been there?
Oh,
the coffee
okay.
club?
I've been there, but
In
not
the
when it's
morning.
open.
It's so good, you know, the coffee.
Where at?
It's right up the road. You go up low, and then
Where's Spider at?
No,
not on that side. That's the Canal Road.
Yeah.
On the low road, you go up here, and the Oasis Club is on the left. Just when you get over by that Marty guy who's got the karaoke.
Nah, I don't know.
Yeah, I know. But it's right up the road, and you know, it's the coffee, and we have coffee in the morning, and you know, it's a lot of fun with the kicking around with the acoustic guitars. You know, sounds so.
With a little bit of high life in you.
Yeah.
Oh, I seen a video. It was posted recently, about a week ago. It was at the Oasis, and there was a bunch of guys with there was a bunch of guitarists.
Yeah.
People with guitars.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what they do too?
Yeah.
At the Oasis.
Yeah. Well, you know, kick around, drink coffee.
Yeah.
And you know, just smoke wherever you like, and play a little guitar, whatever. There's even a guy up there lately with a banjo has been sounding good.
Yeah.
And, you know, all kinds of stuff. You know. You know, you cook those just the way you like them.
This one's ready for you. The way
Oh,
you
they're
like
not
it.
too tough. Are they tender? Because you know, I gotta, you know, I gotta count the chews. You know. 1, 2.
We forgot the cutting knife, so.
No, like that. You want a tortilla real quick? You want a taco?
Una tortillita.
Okay.
Saca los tacos, los platos. Ya sácalos.
¿Cuántos tacos vas a querer tú, compita?
Okay.
How many tacos are you gonna want?
Well, right now, one for starters, though, you know, I want them to.
No la hay.
Hay que empezar con un taco.
I mean, I know you guys are professional carnitas. I mean, I do it on the stove, you know. And you know, like toasting them like that is where it's at. Well, you know, I gotta settle for pretend carnitas with hamburger, you know. Just toast the heck out of it.
Saca la salsa ahí para que la fríes.
Yeah, man, so those are some nice looking tourists, man. Especially the woman.
Aquí estamos haciendo una carnita asada at the range in Slab City.
Oh, man. It doesn't get better than that. Millionaires can't have that kind of fun.
Nomás faltan los frijolitos, ¿verdad?
Frijolitos, yeah. Anything you feel like. You know, I usually have to go to the taco shop in Calapat, which I find it funny to call it a taco shop when it's a donut shop.
And there's not even that. Like
Yeah.
this is not
Of
like
course not. It's not made with love, it's made with corporation. I see the
Play.
waves and the heat.
A good thing it's not windy.
Oh man, really? It was windy last night for a couple hours.
There's a
Blew my
mild
stuff away.
gust going on here, but not too bad.
No man, I knew you guys were gonna do it right.
A ver, Carlos, el plato para poner.
¿O ya está lista?
Sí, para ponerle. Tenía listo. A breakfast taco.
But, oh man, it's gonna be awesome. See, what else do I got to
Y ahorita que salga el video.
chase it?
Nomás que faltó el arrocito y los frijolitos.
Oh,
Ahí está la salsa.
Pero para la otra. So let me go ahead and open this up for you right now.
Okay. Yeah, my girlfriend from Florida just sent me like 4 bottles of different hot sauces, like red, like that. Yeah,
Is that okay?
Oh, that's fine. Thanks.
Want some more on that?
No, that's fine.
Nothing else.
Didn't get all over.
You want some of this
A
right here?
little bit of that, yeah. No, I'm gonna go just the way they go. Fly the way they fly over here. And,
Pass it going on right there. ¿Cuántos tacos va a querer, señor?
Probably those. If this first one goes down,
If it goes down correctly,
I mean,
is
you
that good enough over there?
that's just fine. Sparky, you don't get none. Oh man, it's still hot too, so give it a minute.
Sparky's all like, what about mine?
Really? Oh man, should have brought some hot dogs for him.
Hubiera traído una servilletita.
Uh-huh.
How does it taste? Tastes alright?
This tastes good. Did you marinate it?
Oh yeah, it's marinated overnight. You could taste it.
Man, I can taste it.
That was Albert's idea.
That's good.
Albert said
That's the only way to make a carne asada. If you're gonna plan it for the next day,
Yeah.
prepare it one day before,
Mm-hmm.
put it in the refrigerator, get it soaked with lemon, salt and pepper.
Yeah.
That's it. You don't need all that shit they put on.
Yeah, I know. I mean, I watch the cooking channel, and once in a while they make stuff like this. It's not the same.
Last night I made
They stuck a
chicharrón.
thermometer in it. What's that?
I made chicharrón last night.
Really?
Pork rind.
Mm-hmm. Well, are they hard to chew?
Huh?
Are they hard to chew?
No, because I cured it 24 hours.
Uh-huh. So they're,
And when you put them in the disco,
uh-huh.
they're just
They puff up.
a slow flame.
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness. My mom and dad were like, oh my god, how do you do this? Well, I went on YouTube and I did a little bit of research.
Here's Paki.
I do all the cooking at home, so.
I bet you're good. No, I don't know my recipes from my mom. I mean, she didn't even, I just remembered the flavors, and so I put those together.
she was a good cook.
Este se pone malo.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Want another beer?
Yes, please. Yeah, this is stuff at home.
Carlos.
You already whatchamacallit. Thank God for this. Thank you. I really have them.
Man, if I'm gonna go out there and do carnita asada, I need a beer.
At the range in Slab City.
Ahí I'm taking it slow.
Aquí estamos una carnita asada. At the range in Slab City.
Sit down, man.
I think by talking Spanish, I think there's a lot of white people that see the videos about Slab City, and I think if
No doubt.
by talking Spanish, like bringing in like the
Uh-huh.
like a little bit of Mexican flavor into the Slab City would be a little bit
You need no
different.
foil paper, huh?
No. No. For what? Para
To cover it.
Hijo, eso. Maybe we could.
Sácale esta bolsa.
I got this box over here. Look.
No, saca la bolsa.
See?
Put it in the bag.
Somebody go ask Bill if he wants to come out.
What's that?
I'm gonna ask Bill if he wants to come
Oh,
out.
heck yeah. Call him up. I told him we're going to be here.
Ya va a salir esta. Ahí, mira, ya está. Listo.
¿Y yo qué? Adiós.
Ponla en la ahí.
Where's he at? Did he answer?
Mm-hmm.
What did he say?
She'll be over here in a little couple minutes. He's doing stuff.
Well, I actually thought about putting it
In between two plates. Oh, también.
Marty! Get over here!
In between two plates, and then like this. Bueno, salgo yo fumando ahí en la ciudad. Ya.
What's so bad about that?
Well, cause there's McDonald's there.
Oh, you already know they smoke. In the other video, you're taking a hit of a joint.
Have you seen it?
No, I didn't post that. No, that I didn't post that. If you want, I could blur you out. If you want, I could blur you out in the editing.
Okay.
Like one of them witnesses.
Cállale, compita, este es un taquito. No tenga vergüenza.
Bueno, you know where it's at. Mira, coño.
Ahorita le preparo un taquito al...
Ya está, esta cara. Ahí está.
So, Bill, you want a burrito?
Or a beer.
No, I don't need any beer. I still got work to do here.
Let me warm up the tortilla for you real quick.
I gotta pay the kids down at Salvation Mountain.
Okay.
And I'm fucking up. I can't find the pouch.
How you doing?
Hi.
That's Albert.
Oh, okay. I was afraid I was supposed to already know you.
Well, yeah. I met you last time we were here.
Okay, see, I was fucking up.
Do you want guacamole, salsa?
Yeah.
Not too spicy.
No.
Oh, I didn't know about it.
Is it spicy enough? A little
Oh,
bit.
good.
Yeah.
Just right. You guys ought to be sitting down eating that too.
I'll get a duck right now.
Well, it's peaceful right now.
Yeah.
Not later, I don't know.
It'll be so cold tonight, it probably won't last very long.
Actually, never been out here at this time. It's early. It's different in the night. What's up with that tower up there?
You have to ask him. It's his mark on the world, I guess.
Oh, yeah?
Right? I don't know. Calls himself the Church of Enlightenment.
Yeah, I met him once. We went to the house. He was scrapping.